Hello, everybody. It's Reverend Tim with Grayson here. Not sure if we're live yet because I don't see my little red live. Now I do. So, hi. You may have already heard me say hi. And if you didn't, that meant the video wasn't already recording. But hello. Grayson's here. I'm not sure if you can see there. Hey, Grayson. Hi. Say hello to everybody. He's like, I'm sorry, I am not a performing animal. I am your pet. You have not secured my image release form. That's Grayson. So I have a poem, and we're going to have Grayson's tail wants to appear in the video. It's by the great poet Lucille Clifton, the great African-American poet, and it comes from Blessing the Boats, New and Selected Poems, 1988. There we are, 1988 to 2000. And there is a picture of Lucille Clifton. You want to see what the poet looks like? She's writing about her dad. And she's writing about what her dad did as a profession. And she's writing about how that is impacting an everyday experience of riding on a train. And it's called What I Think When I Ride the Train by Lucille Clifton. Maybe my father made these couplers. His hands were hard and black and swollen, the knuckles like lugs or bolts in a rich man's box. He broke a bone each year as if on schedule. When I read about how a wreck, no, sorry, I'm going to correct that sentence. When I read about a wreck, how the cars buckle together or hang from the track in a chain but never separate, I think, see, there's my father. He was a chipper. He made the best damn couplers in the whole white world. Lucille Clifton. A memory of her father on a late Tuesday afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.